Bien partage comme bien là. Parce que si nous pas partager live là, on va même parler même. On va parler. On va dire why. On va dire tweet. Depuis live moi pas partager, on pas parler. Encore. Depuis nous pas partager live là, nous pas rester trop. Moi dis nous ça. Facebook get 325 partages seulement. On a les Facebook arrive 500. Depuis nous pas partager live là, on pas parler. Les fini Christine a gagné pour nous et Christine a pas vinn bazer. Ça veut dire de pas partager le live. Nose, nada de bueno à la casa par la mi par là ya. M'ba nan bagay live qui se fait ça avec nous. Regardez, fais live là. Fais live là. Fais live là. Regardez, ouvert quoi live là là-bas moi. M'ba nan bagay live qui se fait. Regardez, bon live. D'ailleurs, on femme tabac tant comme machin tabac que je suis, nous pas carrette là en bas là, on a regardé si moun bien fait. Oui, TikTok fait restricted live moi là. Ouais, TikTok fait restricted moi là. TikTok fait restricted live moi là. Mettez good live pour moi TikTok. Nous parlons live là pour descendre, ouais, mais live là qui descendre. TikTok fait restricted moi là, Simon. Yo fait reporter live là, oui, nous voyons que descendre. On live à 2000 combien de monde, mais le descendre à 900 combien. Si moment vous voyez message là, moi live là descendre. Mais ça, ça mon TikTok yo gen yo pas vle wèm comme ça. Partagez live la TikTok. Pour TikTok capable boire son bon live. Oh, regardez comment c'est de monde méchant. Vous êtes très méchant. On a les Facebook nous presque à 500. Dernière musique m'a la live pour zéyan bouille. Christine a fait vite vin faire zéyan, vin baili. Bam zéyan, 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 femme jeune, bam zéyan, bam zéyan, bam zéyan, bam zéyan, bam zéyan, bam zéyan, bam zéyan. TikTok pourquoi 500 partage? Ah, yo déjà m'a fait. Gardez ma jigone moun. Ouais, moi descendre ça et moi zélé. Gardez ma fait. Gardez sous pas blessé, rete loin. Pour même sous rete loin m'a fait. Aïe, Bambi, aïe. Tourner screen pour ma fait. Ouais, mais live la descendre. M'a quitté TikTok là. Yo get a reporter le bail TikTok de ta voix message ba moi m'a descendre. M'a descendre pour moi monter guys. Si moi monter nous pas partager, m'a tout rete m'a fermer parce que mon TikTok est pas vle dans live yo. So unfortunate I got such a beautiful girl like that. I don't want her on TikTok. Like I don't know what the fuck is going on with y'all TikTok people. You TikTok people have issues. Like y'all motherfuckers got issues. Like head up talking. Like y'all really got issues. Like I don't understand. Like such a cute girl like me. Like every time I come on live, y'all bitches be reporting my live. Like I don't know why. I don't understand. Like for real. Like I'm telling the truth. I'm saying shit. Like what? What's your problem with me on TikTok? Like every time I come on TikTok, somebody always gotta report my eyes, report my live, and then before you know it, that shit goes down like to 700 people. Like I never got no 700 people watching me on TikTok live. Like that's bullshit. That's some bullshit. Y'all motherfuckers like be fucking with me. Like y'all be fucking my feelings. Like no joke, all joke aside. Like I don't know why y'all clocking my ass for, but like listen, like I ain't about that shit. I ain't about that life. Y'all better leave me the fuck alone. Share my life, baby. Ni TikTok, ni Facebook, tout côté. Y'all be clocking my ass. I don't know why. I want answers. Like what the fuck? Answer. Like tell me why. Like why y'all be clocking me so hard on TikTok? Like what the fuck? Like really? Like seriously? What's going on TikTok? Like what is this about? What is this about? Parle Creole? I don't speak Creole, bitch. Like when I'm mad, I don't fucking speak Creole. What is that? Like speak Creole? Like what Creole? Like I'm cursing, girl. Like what the fuck you want me to say in Creole? Like what do you want me to say in Creole? Like I'm mad as fuck. Like what am I gonna say in Creole? I ain't gotta fucking speak in Creole, bitch. Like what the fuck? Y'all reporting my live? Y'all putting my live down? Y'all doing some shit to me on TikTok? I don't know what the fuck's going on. Like I don't know. Like what the fuck? Such a cute girl. Like when you see a cute girl like that, why are you putting her for? Like I don't understand. I'm confused as fuck. Like what the fuck is going on here on TikTok? Like what is going on TikTok? Like what is this? Like why I'm being blocked on TikTok? Every time I try to do a damn live, somebody gotta come under the live and then report that damn live to the TikTok people. And then before you know what, the TikTok people, they don't even ask me for questions. They don't even ask me for nothing. I ain't do none at all. And then they just report the live and the live goes down the drain into the shit mud. Like the fuck. Like fucking bye TikTok. Like bye. Like really, seriously, I'm fucking getting up this motherfucking live and then I'm not coming back. Like fuck y'all. Like y'all reporting my live. Like the fuck. I ain't coming back on TikTok. Like fuck y'all. Like bye bitch. Y'all want TikTok for y'all? Bye. Keep it. I'm giving y'all that shit. Keep it. Y'all want it? Keep it. Bye. Bitch, bye. Stop reporting my ass. TikTok Simon, yo mwen ta pou msi ta wè TikTok pou yo. An tourne back na TikTok. Nap tourne back na TikTok pi red. Yo tap kontan, yo tap fete. Oui, blonde di ki te TikTok. Ki bo, ki le. Oh!